3 misconceptions about life insurance. Number 1, I can get insured anytime I want. Most people believe that they can buy life insurance whenever they want to. But this isn't true. Insurance is not just bought, it is applied for. Maraming factors before ma-approve ang insurance application mo, like age, health, and lifestyle. Even if you have the means, pero kung hindi ka na healthy or beyond the insurable age, mas mataas ang chance na ma-disapprove ka sa application mo or mas mahal na ang premiums mo. Kaya I highly suggest to get insured as early as possible. Habang bata ka pa, habang healthy ka pa, para mas mura din ang premiums mo. And your future self and beneficiaries will thank you for doing this. Number 2, you don't need to get insured. Just invest. I believe that investing is important for our future, but bad things may happen tomorrow. Take note that investing takes a lot of time for our money to grow, but we have to pay our emergency bills as soon as possible. And your insurance can help cover the unexpected expenses, such as medical bills. Ang ginagawa kasi ng karamihan ay nangungutang sila during times of emergencies and selling their investments at a loss. And both of these are bad financial decisions and can be avoided through good financial planning. Kaya you need insurance coverage, lalo na if your family is depending on your income. So they can still have financial security even if something bad happens to you. So I suggest getting insured before maximizing our funds through investments. Number 3, mahirap mag-claim. Some people don't see the value of insurance kasi mahirap daw mag-claim. Only to find out na kaya pala nahihirapan sila sa kanilang insurance claim kasi kulang yung requirements or hindi honest yung client during insurance application. Kaya please be honest when you're applying for insurance. If you are a smoker, admit that you are a smoker. Kasi yung ayaw natin mangyari is ma-deny tayo sa ating claims just because of your own mistakes. Now that you have a better understanding about life insurance, you can consider Sun Life Save and Protect. Here's a sample illustration. Let's say you're a 30-year-old na non-smoker. Your annual premium is 35,000 pesos for 10 years with a face amount of 700,000 pesos. Just in case you pass away within 20 years, your beneficiary will get the full amount of 700,000 pesos. But if you're still alive after 20 years, you will get your money back amounting to 350,000 pesos. As you can see, the value of your insurance is much greater compared to what you're paying for. So if you want to know more about Sun Life Save and Protect, you can have a conversation with a Sun Life financial advisor or check the link in the comments or bio.